Hey everyone. So I'm working on this skid steer and I almost got it up and running and I had it running for a little bit of time there. Check it out. Yeah, it all works. But I noticed these cylinders, this cylinder here, that one over there not as bad. This one really here is leaking really bad. So I put this underneath it here. See how much it's leaked there? To catch the fluid is leaking because it was dripping down all over the place. So I ordered a rebuild kit. Well, that's how much it leaked just sitting here in the last week. It took me about a week to get the kits. These are the rebuild kits right here. There's not much to them. So in order to do these, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do them on the machine. It shows a lot of people taking them off the machine and putting them in a vise, but why? It's already on the vise. It's already locked on right there. Leave it. This, you don't have to, this is the part your seal's in anyway, so. I got this blocked up, got it on the jack stand. First thing you do is pull that bolt and pull that pin. Maybe I ought to disconnect the pressure first. Yeah, I'll disconnect the lines first. So I got my drain pan here. And do I have to disconnect the lines? I'm not sure. I kind of don't think so. I think I can get away with just go ahead and pull it apart and change it as is. I don't know. That's what I'm going to try. We'll find out. Worst can happen, I'll just make a big mess. All right, first things first. That bolt, knock out that pin, and see what happens. And I've already relieved the pressure. At least I think I have. I'll find out. Okay, I changed my mind. I went ahead, this hose here, I realized there's a plunger down here attached to this, and when I pull this out, this is going to force all this oil out here, or dump it out here. So I went ahead and separated it here. I got some catch bottles. Fancy stuff, huh? But it fit. So it's just not squirting all over everywhere. I loosened this pin up, and this pin came out super easy. So I did look up inside here, and there's a couple of washers, a couple of spacers. So let's see what happens here. Oh, it's captured in there. Okay, I wonder if I'm going to go back and eat. Nope, it's not going to do it. Okay, that was easy enough. I just got the bar up in there and pinched it back, and it pried back. Came back real easy. A couple of washers fell out. It's nice and greasy in there. That's good. At least I know it was greased. So I'm going to wipe this down a little bit, get rid of some of the gook, and work on taking this thing apart. Okay, now that I got the cylinder loose, everything says this is supposed to have what they call a gland nut, which is a big nut on here. These don't. Maybe these have been replaced at some point in time. I don't know. But if you see in here, see there? That is a snap ring. So I tried snap ring pliers, and that didn't work. So I'm going to try a punch. See if I can get that. See if I can get that thing to move. Well, there's that snap ring. Came out in 3 pieces. That's weird. I'm trying to get this out of here. It's coming. Kind of cooperating. Trying to do this without ruining anything. I mean, I can get new cylinders if I have to. No. What's the right way to do this? I don't know. Ow! Oh, good. Well, I spilled my oil anyway. Good. Something's going on here that I don't understand. Okay, after a lot of pounding, the seals were just shot in there. Finally got it out of there. The board looks pretty good. This is it here. These are way shot. Actually split. That was really tough to get out. And you can see these are toast. Yeah, hard and brittle. All right. First thing to do is get that nut off so I can get to these. When I get that off, then I can get this off. There's seals inside this. Okay, I get to break out my brand new Impact. Never used it. Ha ha ha. It was on sale, so I bought it. I knew I was going to need it sooner or later. Can I hold it? I wonder. Probably not. No. Not a chance. I got a custom-made vise right here. Got it. Haha, that's awesome. I knew that thing would come in handy. Like I said earlier, I don't even know if the kit I have is right or not. Because it said it had a different kind of nut on there. Didn't say anything about a, what do you call it? Snap ring. So if these parts don't fit, I have no idea. This is probably a replacement cylinder that I probably won't be able to get parts for because I don't know where it came from. I don't know that to be 100% true, but we're going to find out. Once you get it apart, it's not bad. Just getting to that point. All right. Yeah, this is the wrong kit. Well, I guess the next thing I do is see if I can find a number on this cylinder. See if I can get a rebuild kit for it. Because the ones I got are incorrect. And bam, there it is, all rebuilt. Yeah, no. The other one, I couldn't find any serial numbers on it. It had been changed. I had no idea what parts to order, so I had to replace it. So, okay, fine. I just gave it up, ordered a new one. Sometimes things don't work out the way you want them to. Oh well. See you later.